Okay, hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. So I went ahead and repaired the pinky. Y'all saw how it was looking all bloody and everything. I did go back to the tea bag and to the kiss glue. So now we're going to take our brush and we're going to go into our builder gel. Okay, we're going to get some out. Okay, put the top on it. And the reason why at first when I was trying to put the fiberglass on with the gel, it needed to be cured. Okay. So there, you see it's all nice and shiny. It's not the best form. Okay, it's not the best, but I'm learning, and this is my first time using this product called Build a Gel. Okay, and I may have to end up taking it off because you can still kind of see like some blood right there. So I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. You can't see it, but you see the light on because my phone is actually sitting on the stand that's on my lamp. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this gel polish. I'm not sure what color it is, but I'm gonna use the same method. I'm gonna polish the short fingernails. Completely, and then I'm gonna polish the long nails with nothing but just the tips. Okay, and then I'm gonna leave them like that because I'm probably gonna apply some Jamaican black castor oil. Okay, so y'all seen the light go off, and I'm new at this, so I'm learning. So you see now. Ooh, I'm scratching and it's not breaking or moving. How about that? Okay, so yeah, and it's still all nice and shiny looking. It's not as smooth as I would want it to be. It kind of got on the sides a little bit, and I also see it lifting, and it's going to lift because you if you allow this product to actually get on the sides, it's gonna cause little air pockets. Okay.
Someone's got a suntan from the last one we did. We got a bleeder! Make it go click. Are they called macaroons or macarons?
So it's nice and smooth, and I believe it's dry. Let me see. Because I got a lot to do. I got something to do tomorrow. That's going to be manual labor. Yes, ma'am. I got manual labor to do tomorrow. So I need for this nail to be nice and dry and cured. Now, I put 2 coats on this one and cured it twice. I'm not sure if I need to do this one twice. So what I did, let me show you what I did. I actually filed it. The other one. Okay. I actually filed the other one on this finger. Like I just did this one. So it won't be so thick.